Alrighty guys, before I send this old engine to the, small engine gods in the sky, I just kind of want to go over why this engine failed and what not to do and what to do. This engine came to me with no compression and smoking really bad, and didn't have a drop of oil in it. And what happens is when these engines run without oil, look at the drag marks going vertical all the way around this cylinder. That is the aluminum being melted and dragged down by the piston. Why does it do that? Because no oil. Shed a little bit of light on this subject here. Oil not only lubricates the engine, but its main job is to cool. And if you can't cool the cylinder walls down because of no oil, then it's going to start melting the cylinder walls. Let's go ahead on and we're going to pull the crankshaft, or excuse me, no, I'm just going to leave the crank in it. I'm going to pull the connecting rod right here. There's 2 bolts, 5/16. Just pull that off. We'll inspect the rod cap, see if we have any metal transfer on the crank pin. But I'm curious to see where these drag marks are, if it's going to be as much or more damage on the piston skirt and rings. Nope, I lied to you. The crank bolts, or the connecting rod bolts, are 1/4 inch, not 5/16. Let's go ahead and fish this rod cap out of here. Uh-oh, it's trying to get away from me. It's pretty dirty. I don't see a whole lot of metal transfer at all, not on the crank pin. Let's go ahead and spin this thing to top dead center. All right, we're loose. Give me a little persuasion bar, see if we can't just pop it up. Let's see if we can't pop this piston out of here. Come on, baby. She seized in there pretty good. Oh yeah. She's good and seized. Oh yeah, we got some good Carnage shots right here, buddy. Man, all the way around this thing is just, had it run very much longer, it probably would have seized completely up. Look how deep that is. Wow. Crazy. Piston's in just as bad a shape. Both compression rings are just seized into the ring grooves. Man, we got a broken oil control ring. Holy crap, look at that. Got a little dirty on that job, didn't I? Oh, my daughter made me a bracelet today. We're all off of out of school and off of work this week and just trying to keep our minds occupied. Hey man, you got to check the oil in these things. They don't last very long if you don't have any oil in them. I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, that was a definite uh-oh. And it was on a real nice snapper commercial mower too. And it's the one that I am repowering with the Harbor Freight Predator motor. I haven't got it going yet, but we're still in the process of doing everything to that. So hey, if this helps you out and you like Carnage like I do, give me a thumbs up and smash that like button, and go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you get all my new videos. Alrighty guys, have a good rest of your night. More Medic One.